Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect WPForms to WhatsApp. This integration allows you to receive form submissions directly on your WhatsApp, streamlining your communication. Imagine getting new leads or support requests instantly on your phone. We will explore two primary methods to achieve this, ensuring you can choose the best fit for your needs. This setup can significantly improve your response efficiency and customer engagement, making your workflow much smoother. One straightforward approach involves using a dedicated WordPress plugin designed for WPForms and WhatsApp integration. After installing and activating the plugin, you will navigate to its settings within your WordPress admin area. Here, you can easily connect your WhatsApp account and specify which WPForms submissions should trigger a message. This method is often user-friendly, requiring minimal technical expertise to set up and manage, typically taking just a few minutes. For more advanced customization, you can leverage webhooks and automation platforms. WPForms offers a webhook add-on that sends form data to services such as Zapier or Make. Within these platforms, you will create a zap or scenario that listens for the incoming webhook data. Then, you configure an action to send this data as a WhatsApp message, allowing for highly flexible and powerful integrations tailored to your specific requirements. Connecting WPForms to WhatsApp offers significant advantages, primarily by drastically reducing your response time to new inquiries or leads. This direct communication channel fosters better customer relationships and can boost conversion rates. Remember to thoroughly test your integration with a dummy submission to ensure everything works as expected. Also, consider setting up automated replies for common queries to further optimize your efficiency and provide an excellent user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.